see, a great mathematician called Bernard Russell, an English mathematician, decided, in order to grasp reality, see how well he's thinking, clear thinker, let me create a system of logic whereby I can completely understand the whole of creation. So the system of logic must be self-consistent. There shouldn't be little jagged pieces, and complete, must incorporate the whole of the creation, mental, intellectual, physical world. Everything can be captured through my system of logic. What a clever way. He's thinking, can I use mathematics to capture the essence of the whole of the reality? This is what he tried. I think he spent 20, 30 years producing material, it'll give you a headache, by the way, if you try and read it. Principia Mathematica or something it's called. But I get a headache when I looked at it. So he spent his whole life almost trying to produce this system of logic which is self-consistent and complete. He seems to be getting very close to the end after a lot of years of hard work. And then one nutter, this is the word I'm using, that's why I say nut. Nuts can be very close to being really kind of high intellectual giants, called Kurt Gödel, a Belgian mathematician, who was almost nutty, came up with a simple resolution saying, it is impossible to create any system of logic that is both complete and self-consistent. You can't have it, he said. And he did a simple GCSE mathematics. And he threw it in the face of Bernard Russell. And straight away, the whole of this poor Russell's work was gone, demolished in 1 minute. So a nutter destroyed the poor, grand master of mathematics in 2 ticks. With simple GCSE mathematics, you can't produce any system of logic that is both self-consistent and complete, all-encompassing. The reason why it failed was this. When you try and include infinity or infinitesimal, creates hell. That doesn't play a role with the finite. And this is where the disjoint happens. And that is why he destroyed it completely. And this, by the way, this Kurt Gödel, in later years, was put in a mental home. But you see, so you said the geniuses and the nutters are not very far from each other. They think outside the box. Both of them think outside the box. That is why they appear very similar. And one other thing I must say is this. This idea of mathematics in a way is very good because it tells us why Hinduism is so magnanimous. It says, however grand may be your intellectual gymnastics, you cannot capture the essence of reality. Nayam atma pravachanena labhyo na medaya na bahuna shruten. Medaya means intellect. So if you try and capture the essence of Brahman, that's what he was trying to do. Bernard Russell was trying to do, capture the essence of Brahman using logic. He said logic will fail. But this called Gödel proved that idea right. So they are digressing, but it's interesting.
Free e-learning course in Hinduism. To register, please visit www.hindu-academy.com.
Talks on Hinduism. Sponsored by People Care. Encouraging caring for the elderly in their own homes. For more information, please visit peoplecare.com.